going on, YouTube? So, got the car over to RPM Motorsports, Range Precision Motorsports here in Littleton, and talked to him a little bit about the check engine light that had coming on. As suspected, had nothing to do with the modifications that were done to the car. I'm just rolling about 46,000 miles on the car, and just some O2 sensors going out. So, check engine light is gone and fixed, and car's still running like a champ. So, turned out to be just O2 sensors, no big deal, so easy fix. On a side note, you know, I talk about this water methanol system a lot. Hot day today, it's 93 degrees, air intake temperature 104. You don't like that? Let's give it some gas and just watch those temperatures dive. 63 degrees, 64 degrees, right in there somewhere. That's 30 degrees below ambient. It was 61 degrees a little earlier when it was 95 degrees out, but you know, there's that 61 I was just talking about. But if you're in an environment that has high temperatures and you go to the track, you race and stuff like that, this water methanol kit is phenomenal. I mean, anybody who races knows that high temperatures kills your air intake, or high temperatures kills your power. Cooler air is going to be more dense and you're going to get more power. I couldn't be happier with this water methanol system. I know I had other videos supposed to be coming up with the electric cutouts, stuff like that. I've been dragging my feet on that, waiting for RPM to get some time just to get me in for a quick job getting those welded in. And for the test for the power stop brakes, they are still holding up really well. The problem is I have to find a day where I have comparable ambient temperatures and road surface temperatures and everything like that to give you the most accurate comparison of stock brakes to the aftermarket brakes. So you guys got to bear with me if you don't mind a little bit regarding waiting for a day that I can actually do a legitimate test to give you a fair comparison. But you know, just from driving the car right now with the power stop brakes, the brake dust is low, they're quiet, I don't have any squealing or anything like that. There's no issues with any cracking or anything to this point. I have taken the car to the track using the power stop brakes, so slowing from 120 miles an hour down to you know, like 30 miles an hour or whatnot to exit the quarter-mile strip. You know, I don't do back-to-back runs, but I did several runs where I had to slow down from that speed, and the brakes are actually holding up really well. They're not showing any signs of discoloration or anything at that at this point. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful start to the summer. Here in Colorado right now, it is blistering hot after a very, very dry winter. But you guys, appreciate every single one of you guys. I didn't make a video or anything like that talking about milestones, but I did hit about 2,300 subscribers here not too long ago. Thank you all of my original old subscribers, Burnsies RT, Johnny Pro, Mean B392, Growls Garage. You guys have been there forever, and I welcome a lot of my new subscribers. Ethanol Hound, dude, you're awesome. Appreciate you jumping on the Das Llamas channel here and being active in my group. So I really do appreciate you. If you guys don't know who Ethanol Hound is, he has a modified Hellcat Challenger, I believe. I think his is a 2016, so he's having some problem with the blower bearing going out, but he's still putting out videos, kind of talking about his repair process and in which way he's going to go with this. So if you guys haven't checked him out already, I suggest you check it out, Ethanol Hound, because he's got a pretty sweet build going on over there as well. But anyways, I'm just about home here, you know, enjoying the lovely, lovely weather here. If you're not subscribed already, I ask you to please subscribe. I got things, you know, coming up for the channel here. It's just a bit of a busy time for me again. I go through a few waves of, you know, having time to film and waves of not being able to have time to film, but you know, I got content on the channel that you can check out, and I got new content coming. So please do subscribe if you're not already subscribed. Throw a like on the video, and I appreciate every one of you guys. Your subscriptions and your times and watching my video helps me fund my build on the car here. So, you know, thanks to you guys, I've been able to do a lot of the modifications on this car, water, methanol, and everything like that. So 600 all-wheel drive horsepower, running low 12s up here in the high altitudes of Colorado. We'll discuss on a later video to see if we're going to commit to trying to run 11s in Colorado. We'll talk a little bit about Diana's build as well. She's got the 11-second Challenger RT. You guys saw that she damaged her car in a race against me in Pueblo about a month ago. We'll talk a little bit about what that's going to be running her. We're talking 5 figures to get that car fixed, but we'll talk a little bit about that as well. Anyways, I'll catch you guys next time. Sorry about the ramble here. I'm just really excited to make a video again. It's been so long, but take care.